Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have two Panasonic microwaves. And actually, this is the newer one, and this is my older one, which is starting to kind of get rusty and grody inside, so I figured I'd replace it. And I don't like change, so I got one very similar. My original one was, let's see, model number NN-SN661S. The new model is NN-SU686S. And I figured I'd take this opportunity to do a quick video in how to set the time on these machines. You can see an 888 there, 888 there. Now my original one, I always kind of had to go back and think about how to do this because it was a little bit different than the new one. The new one's a little easier. The original one is a little harder. Okay, and let's go ahead and start with the old one. Now the old one had this little setting here, if you can zoom in. It says timer clock. Now this will set both the timer and the clock. Now if you just hit it once, let's back up here, if you just hit it once, you can hit the timer for, let's say, 2 seconds and hit start there, and it'll just count down. It won't turn on, it's just a timer thing, and it'll buzz. So and we actually got rid of the 888 doing that. But now for the clock, and this was always a trick, I could never remember how to do this originally, but the way you do this is you actually hit this twice. So the first time you hit it, that's for the timer. The second time you hit it is for the clock, and now you can set it. I think it's 12:39 right now, so we'll hit 12:39 or 8. Oh, let's just do 8, and then you hit clock again and it will set it. And I always, just to be sure, I always kind of do a 1 second run, and then there it is, it's set to 12:38. Now the newer Panasonic it's very similar. Instead of having a quick minute here, it has actually a quick 30 seconds, but down here this is the timer. So the clock set is all by itself now, and so it's pretty easy just to do this. You just hit clock once and then just go ahead and set it 12:38, just like that, and you hit clock again. There you go, it should be set, everything's good. We'll just hit a 1 second run, and there you go, and 12:38. So I hope this video helped you out. There's two different kinds, slightly different Panasonics, and that's how you set the time. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.